What's going to happen with affiliate marketing in 2025? In this video, I'm going to give you my predictions for where I think affiliate marketing is headed in 2025 and beyond. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and I have personally made millions of dollars through affiliate marketing. More importantly, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job starting my affiliate marketing business. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I believe that 2024 was one of the hardest years for affiliate marketing. And the reason I say that is because I've had the chance to coach and mentor over 60,000 students. And I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2019. But what I saw in 2024 was a huge downturn in affiliate marketing and how people were making money. Now, there's so many reasons why 2024 was a down year for affiliate marketing. We had a crazy election year. Inflation was sky high. People could barely afford groceries, rent, even buy a home. So not only was affiliate marketing affected, but all business opportunity type businesses. So things like Amazon FBA or master resale rights or any other type of business opportunity. Now, if you've ever heard of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, you'll realize that the first need at the bottom is physiological needs such as food, water, warmth, rest, right? So when people can't afford food or rent, then the next part of this phase, they're not going to worry about. So looking at this pyramid or these hierarchy of needs, when you look at this, you'll realize that if people don't have the bottom first, they're not going to worry about what happens next, right? So if you look at this, you'll notice that affiliate marketing doesn't even come in until the blue where it says esteem needs, right? Maybe prestige or feeling of accomplishment, right? These are psychological needs, right? So people do affiliate marketing because, well, they want to quit their job or they want to make more money. They want to be more prestigious. They want to buy a better car or buy a better house, right? So again, if we look at that triangle or the hierarchy of needs, if people aren't able to even afford their gas, their rent, their food, then it doesn't make sense that they're going to get those other things, right? So looking at 2024, it was a down year in the economy, okay? Now that doesn't mean that affiliate marketing is going away. I've had so many people message me and say, no one's doing affiliate marketing anymore. Why is affiliate marketing dying? And I'm going to prove to you that affiliate marketing is going to be even bigger in 2025 and moving forward. Now, I want you to see this right here. I went into YouTube and typed in the word affiliate marketing. Now, if you see that volume right there, that means over 673,000 people are searching affiliate marketing per month. Now, that's an insane number. That's more than 500,000 people every single month searching affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing isn't going anywhere, okay? But when you realize the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, that's not at the top of their mind. They need their basic needs first, and then they can move on to the next hierarchy of needs. But that being said, with this new presidency and how the economy is turning, 2025 is looking to be an amazing year. So that's my first prediction with where affiliate marketing is going is 2025 is going to be a breakout year for affiliate marketing. Now, not only are we getting an insane amount of people that are searching affiliate marketing, the more important thing to realize is people still want to be able to quit their job. They still want to be able to start a business. They want to be able to make more money, right? And if you look at all the business opportunities such as digital marketing or master resale rights, or if we go outside of that and look at Amazon FBA or cryptocurrency, there's so many ways to make money. But with most businesses, you have to go and create a product. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to do that. You just go find a proven product and you sell it. You just get a commission of that product. Now, I want to show you an even more exciting stat that I think you're going to get super excited about. Now, if we go to Google and type in digital marketing, you'll see that there's 1 million people per month searching digital marketing. Now, why is this exciting? Because for me, it gives me an opportunity to teach digital marketers how to do affiliate marketing. Now, let me explain. When I first started in this online space, I actually started in digital marketing. Now, the difference between digital marketing and affiliate marketing is very similar, okay? With digital marketing, you're selling your own products and services. Maybe you have your own courses, your own consulting. With affiliate marketing, you're promoting someone else's digital marketing courses. courses, okay? But when I started, I was taught to build my own course, my own product, which I did, and it was one of the hardest things that I ever did. Now, the cool thing was I actually found affiliate marketing later, and that's where I was able to blow up my business, okay? Again, going back to the stat I just showed you, there's over 1 million people searching digital marketing, and it's exciting because there's gonna be so many people like me that failed because it was hard to create your own product, and the opportunity, you can teach them to become an affiliate marketer. And that's where it gets really exciting, because if you're an affiliate for a course like my Leave Your 9-to-5 Freedom Hackers Challenge, there's such a big opportunity there. If you think about it, 1 million people per month, plus another 500,000 are searching affiliate marketing. That's already 1.5 million people just in that small niche. Now, there's a verse in the Bible in Proverbs where it says, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty." What does that mean? And that actually leads me to my next prediction. So prediction number 2 is the ones that are building now are gonna profit in the future. So as I read in that scripture, the people that are actually doing things, the people that are learning the skills, that are understanding the game, you guys are the ones that are gonna prosper, right? And that's exactly what I'm doing as well. I'm creating more resources, more things that can help people learn affiliate marketing, because again, my whole goal is to help people quit their 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing. And it's important to understand there's so many people that are coming into this space. It's overwhelmingly good, right? It's just insane how many people are coming into this space daily, right? And I started this thing in 2019, and the numbers weren't even close to what they are today. But again, going back to my second prediction, if you're taking the time to learn how to create content, to learn how to get people attracted to you and your brand, that way they can join your email list, then this is how you're gonna win. Now, if you've been a student with me for the last 4, 5, even the last couple years, you should now have the skills to do what I'm telling you, right? So you should be able to now create content, to create YouTube videos, to create reviews, to create blogs, to understand how the softwares work, because this is gonna give you an advantage, right? Now, if you're brand new, that's totally okay. You still wanna learn the skills, that way you can be ready for the people that are coming into this space. Now, prediction number 3 for 2025 is people that did other business models are gonna be looking for affiliate marketing. Now, especially with master resale rights, I've seen so many people jump into the space of master resale rights. Now, if you don't know what master resale rights is, it's essentially when you buy into a program, that way you can get 100% commissions. And it's actually a pretty cool thing. I'll probably release some of my own master resale rights. But the problem is, for newbies, it's actually very difficult because they actually own that product. So they have to go and create their own merchant account, and now they're in charge of the customer support. And now they have to manage the entire business, right? With affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about 99% of those things, okay? But the people that started these other things, they understand the power of digital marketing or master resale rights. They understand the power of leverage, but they're gonna wanna do something more simple, but that can make them a lot more money. All these people that were doing digital marketing and, master resale rights, they're starting to look at affiliate marketing. And again, if we look at prediction number 2, we gotta be ready to help those people because they're looking for that opportunity. You see, if you're truly sick and tired of your 9-to-5 job, you're always looking on how you can get out of it, right? I know for me, I never gave up on business opportunities. I literally tried every business opportunity that I can find until I finally found affiliate marketing, which helped me get out of my job. But before that, I spent years and years and years doing so many other things, right? So all these other people that are, essentially wasting their time doing other business models, they're gonna look for other things such as affiliate marketing. So again, you want to be ready for those people. All right, prediction number 4 is long form content is going to help you stand out from the rest. Now, there's so many people creating short form videos such as TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and these are great. These are one of the first things that we teach our students because it's a way to get traffic a lot quicker. However, so many people are now doing the same thing. And if you want to stand out from other people, other content creators, you want to do something that's that's a little bit harder, right? Because if you think about it, almost everyone is doing short form videos. It's not that hard to do, right? Especially the way we teach you in our programs and our courses where we have this automated software that allows you to do it. So there's so many people that can get into it, but what you need to understand is you want to actually stand out from the rest. And that's why I jumped into long form content such as YouTube, such as this video that you're watching now. Now, again, yes, it's a little bit more in depth. It's a little bit of a harder skill to learn, but this is how you stand out from others, okay? And this is kind of my mindset as I grow in my business, as I continue to grow my software company, because the thing that I need to realize is I need to do things that are kind of more uncomfortable than the normal things that regular people are doing, right? So in this case, if everyone's creating short form content, well, maybe you should do something that's a little bit harder. What's another skill that you can learn? And I really believe that long form content is the thing that's going to help you stand out. Now, of course, continue to do your short form content because the short form content leads to the long form content, but start to learn the skills of how to create these longer form videos on YouTube. Now, my next prediction is relationships are going to be key to growing your business. So many people that come into this space just, want to create content and throw things out there and never talk to anyone, right? And I totally understand that because that's the same way I was when I started, okay? But if you look at this as building a business, you got to build relationships, right? So what I've been doing more and more is people that inbox me or they message me, I actually send them a voice message, right? I'm literally saying, hey, thank you so much for messaging me. How can I help you? Or this is what you should do next. Or let me lead you to the right source, right? So especially if you're starting out, you want to be able to help the people that are following you. You want to be able to lead them in the right direction because, with all this AI stuff, automated messages, which is all good. I use all of it. You want to be able to be more personable. And I really think that's going to help you stand out from other affiliate marketers that are completely automating their business. Now, of course, when you get to a certain point, you do have to automate some stuff. But even till this day, I still do a lot of this manual reach out because I know if people can hear from me and my voice personally, then they're more likely to buy the things that I'm offering. So as you grow your affiliate marketing business in 2025 and in 2026 and beyond, please keep in mind that you need to build these strong relationships, okay? Because at the end of the day, we're here to help people. We want to lead them in the right direction. And if they know, like, and trust you and they understand what you're about, they're gonna buy what you have to offer. Now, these are my 5 predictions for 2025 for affiliate marketing. And at the end of the day, guys, I'm so excited for what affiliate marketing has to offer. And I know there's so many people that are, essentially quitting affiliate marketing and, doing something else. I'm okay with that, right? Because I see the potential. I look at the data and I understand there's different cycles to this business, right? I've been doing this for over 5 years and I've seen some of the cycles already. And you need to understand, even if you started back in 2024 and it was a rough year, look at the data, understand what I'm saying, because I promise you, affiliate marketing will never go away. There'll always be people promoting their own products and they want affiliates to promote it. It's literally, it'll never go away. It'll continue to get bigger and bigger and bigger as the population grows. So if you're excited about 2025, say I'm all in down below. And if you haven't taken my brand new Leave Your 9-to-5 Freedom Hackers Challenge, I'll leave a link down in the YouTube description. That link will show you how to get access to my new challenge where I'm going to show you how to get started in affiliate marketing. More importantly, how you can quit your job through my new challenge. Thank you so much again, and we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.